Hi everyone and welcome back to FMR Station House. Now in this video we're going to show you how quickly and easy it can be ballasting your track using Ballast Magic. So let's get on with it. So a couple of things to do this speed ballasting is this lovely little product made by Dulux. It's called Ballast Magic. Now that is the prime thing that helps us do speed ballasting, as well as one of these little ballast hoppers that goes round and dispenses it. Now those two products aren't the cheapest out there, but if you want a fast and easy way to do ballasting, they're what you're going to need. So, and as well as that, your ballast. Now, how this works, the instructions state 1 part of Ballast Magic to 5 to 10 parts of this. Now, I found the ratio about 7 or 8 parts is a good mix, and I've already done this track. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do the inside track and how fast it will be. So, what you've got to do is make yourself, I use this as a measuring pot. I'm going to get 7 lots of ballast in the tub. And 1 part Ballast Magic. Pop it in together, mix it all in, I like to give it a shake, and get your ballast hopper. Pop it on the track. You pour this into the side and you just run it along. Okay, and as usual that spreads it, but you are going to need to use the older brush technique and the centre. Get your fingers first of all and get as much packed into the side as you can, and your brush. Scrape it round. And just on the outside as well, run your finger across the top. Now that section is pretty much only done about 1.5 meters or 1 meter, give or take. Alright, but that was really quick and easy. I'm going to just quickly do the rest of the track. Same, mixing it all up, popping it in and running it around. Okay, now that we've got the ballast down in place, same procedure as usual, you know, pour it on with a spoon, but use one of the hoppers, a lot quicker. This is the bit that this ballast magic works its best, is you get a mist bottle of water, nothing else, tap water, and all you do is mist over the whole area. And that's it. Leave that for 2 hours and it'll be set. Now the points work pretty much exactly the same. I've already done either side. You just want to be a little bit extra careful around where the point mechanism is. All we've got to do is just sprinkle just a fine amount of the mixture of Ballast Magic and ballast just down the sides here, like so. And just make sure it moves all right and give it a brush out the way. Just make sure the point is working nicely. And then once again you get the water, and this is why I love this stuff, as I've said, and just and that's all you need to do. And the points are still moving side to side. And pretty much just after the ballasting, here comes Smoky Joe. So then, as you can see, ballasting your track can be as easy as that. Now, it's not the cheapest version of doing it out there. This Ballast Magic pot only comes in 125ml. It costs around £10. I'm not entirely sure how much track that will actually do, but I am hoping I can get the rest of Eli's track, at least 80% of it finished on that one bottle. And also one of these hoppers, they cost between £10 to £15. We used a Golden Valley hobby one. That's because it's the only one available in our hobby store at the time. It does the job, and I'm sure you can probably pick up cheaper ones or the Pico ones or any different type of brand of those. But yeah, and as always people, thank you very much for joining us on these videos. We always love the interaction that this community gives. So if you've got any comments or ways that you possibly do ballasting as well, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell to be notified of any of our upcoming videos. We love you guys coming along and we really enjoy the interaction so much. Now, we do a live budget build on a Wednesday evening at 8:30 UK time. That's been going down really well. We've got quite a lot of regulars coming to that. So join in with the community, guys, and see you on Wednesdays. And on Sundays, we'll be bringing you little videos like this or updates on either of our layout, being the 00 gauge or the N scale in the shed. But until next time, guys, stay safe, keep well, and see you soon.